During the machine debugging phase, in manual mode on the control panel, workers can use the remote control to operate the direction of the roll-forming machine, allowing them to stop or start the machine at any time. During the production process, when worker intervention is necessary, using the remote control greatly enhances worker safety. Additionally, an emergency stop button is located beneath the control panel screen, which can be pressed in case of an emergency to immediately stop the machine. How to automatically adjust the width. The Kigreel roll-forming machine can be equipped with an automatic system for adjusting width and height. By simply inputting the parameters, the servo motor starts to work and automatically enters the width adjustment mode. This process requires no manual intervention, simplifying the operation and reducing the worker's workload while also preventing injuries that might occur from manually adjusting the roller width. Install protective shield and other safety equipment to prevent workers from coming into contact with dangerous moving parts, or the rolling area. The acrylic protective shield is simple and lightweight to operate, requiring only one worker to use it. It not only prevents worker injuries but also keeps dust and debris from falling into the machine, which could affect its operation. This also helps extend the machine's service life. Kigreel's human-centered design and professional manufacturing technology have been recognized by customers worldwide. With extensive project experience, we have established after-sales service points in countries including India, the Netherlands, Mexico, Vietnam, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Italy, Chile, Russia, Bangladesh, Thailand, Turkey, and others.